In this video, we're going to show you how to unclog a Panasonic MCGG529. With this type of a clean air motor, there's only one dirt path in the vacuum. It starts here at the bottom, goes up this hose, through the wand, in this hose, and into the back of the vacuum, which deposits into the bag on the inside. A quick way of determining where the clog is in the vacuum is to plug the machine in, turn on the power, pull this side wand, and check for suction. If you have adequate suction here, then your clog is in this bottom hose. If you have no suction here, then the clog is between here and the bag in the back of the vacuum cleaner. Now, in order to check that, after you've determined where the clog is, to unclear the top half of the vacuum cleaner, you'll simply twist these tabs again and remove the wand from the hose. You can look through the wand to see if there's an obstruction. If there's something clogging this, you'll simply take a standard handle that might be on a broom or a mop in the back and stick it through this wand to clear any obstruction that would be in it. After you've cleared the wand obstruction, if there is one, you're going to check the hose next. In order to do so, you're going to pull open this back door and you're going to make sure there's no obstruction right here. If there is an obstruction, just pick it out with your fingers and throw it into the trash can. If there's an obstruction in this hose, you take the same wand, or you take the same handle and stick it through the hose, inserting it until you can see it at this back port. Once you've done this, any debris that would be caught in this hose will be shoved to this port for you to remove. After you've done this, remove the handle, close the door, reinstall the wand, plug the vacuum back in, turn it on, check for suction. At this point, you should have good suction here. To check the bottom half of the vacuum cleaner, you're going to turn the vacuum back over, just like we did in the belt change video. You're going to grab your standard screwdriver, give these tabs a half turn, remove the bottom plate, and check this dirt entry port. When a vacuum is spitting stuff out and it's not picking anything up, generally it will be clogged right here. That means the brush roll is picking the dirt up as it should, but it has nowhere to go, so it spits it back out in front of the vacuum cleaner. Whenever the vacuum starts spitting things out, you want to check this first. You can check this port here, and if there's anything obstructing that port, the other thing you can do is then put the bottom plate back on, give these a half turn, set the vacuum back up, remove the wand, pull down on this rubber hose cuff right here, and this will give you access to this entire hose. Take your handle, shove it through here to the bottom plate, and that should push any obstruction that would be here out the bottom for you to remove and throw away. Once you've completed unclogging this lower hose and this upper hose and wand, there should be no issues with the vacuum picking up. Now we're going to reinstall this. You grab this rubber hose cuff again and reinsert it in the bottom. Bring your hose back over the hose holder and install the wand on the side. Once you've completed these actions, you have unclogged the MCGG529.